Hello guys, so just a really quick video, because I just came across that. So you probably have used Loom before, so I'm using Loom as a paid subscription. Costs me a little bit money, not too much, maybe $15 or something per month. But I have been creating videos like a lot, so it really pays off. So it's basically a screen recording software. Just want to go into one thing. I created this video and I have this transcript option here. So it's actually really handy because it actually transcribes your whole video, the text that you're talking, and it would usually list it here. But sometimes I've seen it doesn't actually transcribe all of it. As you can see here, no transcript. The transcript was not able to be processed. So there's a little trick how you can still get your transcript easily and for free. So let me head over to a different page. Okay, what I basically did is you can see I headed over to my chatgpt.com and then I went to explore GPTs. So down there's a section called explore GPTs, or you can type in chatgpt.com/GPTs, and then you land on this page here. And then the easy part is you look at, it lists it already because I used it before. You just search for video summarizer. And as you can see, there are a lot of them available. It tells you how many views or how many people actually download or added it to their ChatGPT. And as you can see, 5K, 1K, 100,000K, 100,000K. I'm actually using this one here, 1 million plus, a really good one. This one might be good as well, video summarizer. You just click that one. As you can see, it will be adding, or it tells you basically a few things about it, right? Video summarizer, YouTube video summarizer, multi-language, interactive analysis of YouTube videos. And then I don't need to start the chat in this. I could start the chat now directly from here as well, actually. And it takes me right to the screen. And now if it asks you here anyway, generate summary for YouTube video. Okay, you click on that and it asks you for the link to the video. Please provide the YouTube video link and I'll generate a detailed summary for you. You type in the link here, whatever it is, youtube.com, and then some fancy number, right? You click execute and it will transcribe the whole thing. So in case you're using Loom, it doesn't work for some reason, or you don't even have Loom, or you want to have a transcription of your video, this is by far the easiest way to do it with ChatGPT. Okay, I hope that was helpful and you enjoyed it. Okay, good. Bye bye. I just have to close that now. Okay.